Did you know that over 50% of people trying to lose weight are missing out on one crucial factor that could significantly boost their fat-burning results? It's not about working out harder or longer, it's about what you're eating first thing in the morning. In this video, we'll uncover why your breakfast choices can make or break your weight loss journey and show you exactly what to eat to maximize fat loss. Hey everyone, I'm Farhad, a certified fitness trainer and nutrition expert with over 4 years of experience helping people achieve their fitness goals. Whether you're trying to shed a few pounds or overhaul your entire health, I've been there and helped countless clients do the same. Today, I'm going to guide you through what to eat in the morning to optimize weight loss without feeling hungry or deprived. In today's video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about the best breakfast foods for weight loss. I'll explain how your morning meal affects your metabolism, the key nutrients you need, and share practical meal ideas that are easy to prepare and keep you satisfied for hours. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan for crafting a morning routine that supports your weight loss goals. So why is breakfast so important when it comes to weight loss? Many people either skip breakfast entirely or eat foods that spike their blood sugar, causing them to crash and overeat later in the day. This can slow down your metabolism and lead to cravings that sabotage your progress. In fact, studies show that those who eat a balanced breakfast are more successful in losing weight and keeping it off. Skipping breakfast or eating the wrong types of food can leave you feeling sluggish, constantly hungry, and frustrated with your lack of progress. If you're trying to lose weight, what you eat in the morning can either set you up for success or keep you stuck in a cycle of overeating and weight gain. Take my client Sarah, for example. She was doing everything right in terms of exercise but struggled to lose those last 10 pounds. After reviewing her diet, we discovered that her sugary, low-protein breakfast was holding her back. Once we switched her to a high-protein, fiber-rich breakfast, she started losing weight steadily while feeling more energetic and less hungry throughout the day. So, what should you be eating in the morning if you're serious about losing weight? The answer lies in choosing nutrient-dense, whole foods that keep you full, regulate your blood sugar, and fuel your body for fat burning. A well-balanced breakfast for weight loss includes lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates. Prioritize protein to boost metabolism and reduce cravings. Protein is essential for weight loss because it helps you feel full longer and boosts your metabolism. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a high-protein breakfast can help reduce cravings by regulating hunger hormones. Include protein sources like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a plant-based protein smoothie. Include fiber for satiety and digestive health. Fiber slows down digestion, keeping you satisfied for longer. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. Oats, whole grains, chia seeds, and berries are excellent fiber-rich foods to include in your breakfast. Add healthy fats for sustained energy. Healthy fats are calorie-dense but help you feel full and provide lasting energy. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and coconut oil are great choices. They don't spike your blood sugar and keep you from reaching for unhealthy snacks mid-morning. Choose complex carbohydrates for energy. Carbs are not the enemy, but the type of carbs you eat matters. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grain toast, quinoa, or sweet potatoes, which provide energy without causing rapid blood sugar spikes. Avoid refined carbs like sugary cereals or white bread. Stay hydrated. Hydration is key for metabolism and fat loss. Start your day with a big glass of water or green tea. Green tea, in particular, contains compounds that can help enhance fat burning throughout the day. Why does this approach work? When you start your day with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, you stabilize your blood sugar levels. This reduces insulin spikes, which are associated with fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Additionally, high-protein breakfasts have been shown to reduce levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin, making you feel fuller for longer. According to Dr. Rachel Roberts, a leading nutritionist, the first meal of the day sets the tone for your metabolism and eating patterns for the rest of the day. A high-protein, nutrient-dense breakfast can prevent overeating and support fat loss. That's why making these food choices is essential if you want to see real results. Let's take a look at this chart. It shows the ideal macronutrient breakdown for a weight loss-friendly breakfast: 40% protein, 35% carbohydrates, and 25% fats. This combination helps keep your metabolism active and hunger in check. Now, I'm going to show you 3 easy breakfast options for weight loss. Egg white scramble with veggies and avocado, a high-protein, fiber-rich meal that keeps you full. Overnight oats with chia seeds and berries, a fiber-packed option that you can prepare the night before.